Okay. Rabbit. Sneeze break. Jiminy. What does Jiminy do? Invasive and lots of people that do nothing. Sing a 5. So he can sing song. Yeah, I wonder if he's part of the singer deck. Song deck. Sardine can. Interesting. Okay. That is a heal. I have a heal deck. He is in the colors of my heal deck. He's not a heal. When he's in the colors, this one might be worth it. Open. Okay, so the green rat again is just evasive. But 4-1. Alright, winning it up. Thousand cards against challenger +2. Kai. Okay. Okay. This character question, return that just here. Okay, that is pretty evil. Especially with the Merlin cards. Arthur goes good with Merlin. Queen. 2 for 1. Quest for 1. Oh no! Boom, boom, boom. What do you do? Talk to country today. Oh, that's nasty. There's my foil. Little boy. Support. Hold on. Support makes sense. Chitty cup. Author. Another one. And 4, 5. Oh, there's a gel thing. You can fly, you can fly, you can fly. good song. That's a good character too. I like those cards. Oh. Pack starts with complete Merlin and Squirrel form. Second manipulation. Alicia. Queen of Hearts. Weaselton. 1 damage to chosen character. Wow, baby. Okay, this works well with the Merlins, where you return them to your hand, gain a lore, or do other things. Yeah. You force your opponents to discard their hands, and he gets strong.